Good morning, students. So today we start exercise 1.3, composition functions and invertibility functions. So what is the meaning of composition? First, suppose the function f is mapping from A to B. What is this meaning? Here there exists x belongs to A. The mapping, right? Mapping is nothing but a function, right? So the mapping from A to B, that means f is mapping from A to B is nothing but the element in B is f of x. The element in B is f of x. That is nothing but y, right? You can consider y is equal to f of x, right? And there is another function. There is another function g. G is mapping from B to C. G is mapping from B to C. Now, what is the element here? What is the element here? Here, x belongs to A. Mapping is there from A to B. The element in B is f of x. In similar way, the element in B is f of x. Mapping is g. What happened? G of f of x. Now, note that g of f of x can be also written as g circle f of x. G circle f of x. This g circle f of x is known as compositive function. G circle f of x is known as compositive function. In a same manner, first we consider g, next we consider f. Right? First we consider g, that means g is mapping from B to A. Let. And f is mapping from where it starts, then we can start, right? Where it's the end, then we can start with the next function. A to B. Now, here we consider g circle f. So first f, A to B, right? Next g. Here first is f only, right? So f is mapping from A to B and g is mapping from B to A. This is A to A. Right? It is A to A. That means g circle f is A to A. That means I consider this is A. Right? That's why g is mapping from B to A and f is mapping from A to B. Now, in same manner, I want to reverse also. For that reason, I consider A to B, B to A. Otherwise, the normal definition is A to B, B to C. Already I given in the material, right? Now, in this case, what is f circle g? F circle g, what is g? First we have considered this side. Okay, from left side to right side, you have always compositive functions can be expand. Right? And now, what is g? G is mapping from B to A. Here, consider. G is mapping from B to A. Now, what is f? A to B. Now, f circle g is B to B. From here to here, now we get the function, compositive function from this. Right? Nothing but a transitive property. Right? It is nothing but a transitive property. So, G to B. This is the definition of compositive function. Are you understand? Once again, I repeat. There exists an element x belongs to A and f is mapping from A to B. Okay, the element in B is like f of x. The element in B is like f of x. Now, there is another function g from B to A. Okay, there is another function g from B to A. That is A or C, whatever one, no problem. Okay, so g to A. The element in this, not here, right? The element in this is g circle f of x. That is nothing but here I wrote. This is the definition of the compositive function. Now, what is the importance of compositive function? By using the compositive function, we have to define the identity functions like this. G circle of A is mapping from A to A, right? And F circle G is mapping from B to B itself. A to A, B to B, X to X, Y to Y, like that. These functions are we have to consider, and by using that we have to introduce the invertibility functions. What is invertibility functions? For that, first we have to give one example for this. You understand, right? Better. I want to explain one example on the compositive function. Right. F is a mapping from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. I think the next one is 9. This is the function. Function is mapping from, for suppose let us consider A to B. Okay. So this is a and this is a B. Now there is another function G. It is must and should starts with this one, na? 3, 4, 5, 9, 2, 7, 11, 15. Right? This is the function already given, right? Now the function defines like this. F function defined f of 2 is equal to 3. F maps to 3. F of 3 is equal to 4. F of 4 and f of 5 is equal to 5. F of 4 and f of 5. Both elements are mapped with 5 only. Now what about G? G of 3, G of 4. Here G of 3 is equal to G of 4 is mapped with 7. Right? And also G of 5, G of 9. G of 5, G of 9 mapped with 11, right? Mapped with 11. Now find G circle F. This is your problem, right? Example. Now here what happened? The function is A to B, B to C, like that, right? I have to show in diagrammatically. This is F. F is mapping from, what is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 3, 4, 5, 9. There is another function G. Are you understand? There is another function G with 7, 11, 15. Right. Now what is the mappings? Here with respect to F, 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 4. 4 and 5 both are goes to 5 only. Right? Clearly it is not 1, 1 and on 2, right? Because 9 is failed on 2 and 4 and 5 having same images. But we want 1, 1 means different elements having different images. On 2 means in a codomain, okay, is equal to range set. Range set means every element in a codomain is mapping. Both are not true. Okay, no problem. This is not depending upon 1, 1 and on 2. The invertibility is depending upon 1, 1 and on 2. But compositive is not like that. Okay? Next. What about G function? G, 3, 4 maps to 7. Right. And 4, 5, 9 maps to 11. This is the diagrammatical representation of this problem. Clear? Now, I want to find G circle F. How to find the compositive function G circle F? And what is the meaning of this? That is, you understand. The element G circle F is here, right? Yes or no? I already showed in the previous diagram. This is X, this is F of X, this is G of F of X. That is nothing but G circle F. So I want to find that elements. It's clear. Now, what is the meaning of this? For suppose according to the definition, G circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. G of f of x. With respect to f of x, what is the mapping? And after that, with respect to g, this element, which one to map, right? So I will explain with an example. Take one element in x, in place of x. G circle f of what is x? In this one, x is in this only, right? Now g of f of 2. What is f of 2? F of 2 means 2 maps to which element? 2 maps to 3. G of 3. Are you understand this point? This is very, very important. I consider G circle f of 2 because 2 is here, x element, right? After that, I expand this circle with a bracket. This is the definition. So G circle f of 2. F of 2 means here x, it goes to f of 2, right? Here it is 2. Here f of 2 is 3. So I consider this is 3. Now what is G of 3? That means with respect to 3, it passing through G, where it goes? 7. So the element here, G circle f of 2 is 7. Like that you have to find all the elements in x. X is 2, 3, 4, 5. So here actually the definition is A to B, B to C. Now what about G circle? G circle is mapping from A to C. That means from this to this is G circle F. Are you understand? So the mapping between this set to this set is happening, right? Now I want to check all the 4 elements. So please note down up to here. I want to calculate G circle f of 2, already calculate. F of G circle f of 3, G circle f of 4, G circle f of 5 is completed. Then my mapping is closed, right? Right. What about G circle f of 3? G circle f of 3. This can be considered G of f of 3. Now, see in your notes where 3 maps to with respect to f. 3 maps to with respect to f. Where it maps? 4. Right. Now, 4 element is there. The 4 element maps with G. Which element? 7. Are you understand this? In a similar manner, G circle f of what about next element? It is 4. Now, G of f of 4. What is G of f of 4? We have a definition, right? What is f of 4? F of 4 goes to 5 only, right? So G of 5. Now, what about G of 5 value? It is already given in the problem. G of 5 is 11. Right? And there is a last one, G circle f of 5. G circle f of 5. This is G of f of 5. Now, what is f of 5? F of 5 maps, already given in the problem, f of 5 is also 5. What is G of 5? Already we wrote, right? G of 5 is 11. Now, what is the set G circle f? We consider, first one is 2, 7. We consider 2, we get an image 7. The next one is this one only, 3, 7. 4, 11. 5, 11. Right? So, must and should G circle f is also a function. G circle f is also a function. This is the example for compositive function. I think you understand now, right? Okay. Next, there is another problem and very important problem. It is asked in the examination also. Next example. Find G circle f and f circle G. Remember, once this is a node point, you have to find the G circle f means you start with f. You want to find G, F circle G means you starts with G. That is the most important point, right? And if F is mapping from R to R and G is mapping from, it is also same, R to R, real numbers to real numbers. Good. Defined by, what is the definition? F of x is equal to cos x and g of x is equal to 3x square. Show that F circle G is not equal to G circle F of x. No problem. No problem. Right. That means it can be written F circle G of x, G circle F of x. Okay, that is a representation. Okay, no problem. First of all, I want to find G circle F. Here already given F and G are mapping from R to R and everything is the same. So therefore it is from real numbers to real numbers. Right. Now the definitions, main important definitions, F of x is equal to, they are giving cos x, and G of x is equal to, they are giving 3x square. Right. I want to find G circle F of x. I want to find G circle F of x. Please listen carefully. This is the most important point. We already learned one example. This is the second one and important problem also. Very easy problem also. Just I want to express this circle with bracket. That is the definition of compositive function. Okay, good. This can be written as G of F of x. Now, I want to write first F of x, right? What is F of x? F of x is cos x. G of cos x. Very good. After that, simply, whenever you wrote this one, you forgot this. Now, G of x. Once again I repeat. This is G of cos x, right? This can be treated as G of x. Okay. What is G of x? G of x is 3x square. But instead of x, there is a cos x. That means in place of x, you wrote cos x. That is the main important point. So what is the meaning this? 3x. X means here cos x is there. So replace cos x whole square. Are you understand this? Once again I repeat. So G of x is the definition of 3x square. Here G of cos x is there. So in place of x, I want to write cos x. That is nothing but 3 cos square x. This is nothing but your G circle F. Right? Now, I want to calculate another one. F circle G of x. Okay. Now expand. F of G of x. Very good. After that, what is G of x? G of x is 3x square. F of 3x square. Right. So here G of cos x is the second step. Here F of 3x square. Why? Because G of x I defined firstly. Now after that, what is F of x square? Here cos x, right? In place of x, here 3x square is there. So replace that one. So cos 3x square. So this is your F circle G. Now tell me, both are equal? Check it. G circle F is 3 cos square x and F circle G is cos square 3x. Both are equal? No. Right? So therefore, our conclusion, G circle F is not equal to F circle G. So what do we conclude from this problem? From this problem, so it is not always true that F circle G is equal to G circle F. This is the example and very important, they asked in the examination also. Right? Can you understand this? And one more problem like that. In exercise there is some problems. I told now only. Just wait. Right. In the same manner, it is in a third problem in exercise. F of x is equal to mod x and g of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Now I want to calculate same thing. What is that? F circle G, G circle F. Okay. Now what is F circle G? F circle G of x, right? Therefore this is F of G of x. Now what is G of x? G of x is modulus of 5x minus 2, right? Now what is F of x? In this modulus of modulus x, right? Don't confuse ma. Here already modulus is there, but in your definition of f of x there is another modulus, right? Because the total function inside whatever that is, you have to put in place of x. So what happened? Mod 5x minus 2, right? Modulus is a positive number, right? Why we can take 2 times? That's not important. So you have to write only 1 time. This is the number of f circle G. Now I want to calculate G circle f of x. Right? What is G circle f of x? G of f of x. Okay, good. What is f of x? F of x is modulus of x. So G of mod x. Right? Now, what is the definition of G of x? G of x is modulus of 5x minus 2. Right? So 5x minus 2. Here you consider 5. Right? In place of x you want to write mod x. Right? 5 mod x minus 2. And observe that both are same. This is G circle F. Both are not same. Right? So modulus is there, modulus is not there. But modulus is there only for x. But suppose this value is, the total entire value is less than 2. What happened? It is minus value. It is positive value. So therefore, G circle F is not equal to F circle G. This is the second problem. In same manner, there is another problem. Yes, there is another problem in the same manner. And there is a 1 mark or 2 marks questions in this. That's why I want to complete all problems with the sequence, right? F of x is equal to 8x cube and g of x is equal to, this is in your exercise third problem. G of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. Now same, I want to calculate f circle g and g circle f of x. Right? Now, what is f circle g of x? This is f of g of x. Okay, good. What is g of x? G of x is x power 1 by 3. G of x is x power 1 by 3. Okay, good. Now, what is f of x? In place of x, you want to write this entire thing. Right? In place of x. So, 8 in place of x power 1 by 3 whole cube. Is it right? In place of x, I want to write whole thing. Right? And after that, cancel, we get 8x. That's good. Okay, next. G circle f of x. I want to calculate this one. G of f of x. Now, what is f of x? F of x is 8x cube. Good. Now, what is g of x? G of x is, I want to write this complete term in x. Okay. So that means 8x cube whole power 1 by 3. This in place of x, I replace this one. Right. So 8 can be written as 2x whole cube. Is it okay? 8 can be written as 2 power 3, right? So therefore 3 cancel, you get 2x. Here you get 8x, here you get 2x. Clearly we say that f circle g is not equal to g circle f. So this is one type of problem now. Right? Okay, once again we are going to back side. the example 17 in your material. This is the understanding of compositive functions. Now slowly, one or two problems I will give the explanation for that, and we are entering into the composite to invertible with a sequence, right? So what is the next problem? In your 17th problem, f is mapping from r minus 7 by 5 to r minus 3 by 5 with f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. This is the definition, right? In a same manner, there is a definition for g also, right? The function g is mapping from the reverse pair, right? Defined by g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Then f circle g of is nothing but IA, and g circle f is nothing but IB, where A is equal to r minus 3 by 5, r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5, and B is r minus 7 by 5 to r minus 3 by 5, where IA and IB are the identity mappings from A to A and A to B respectively. This is your problem now. What we say, what we conclude for here, I want to prove these two. Right? Suddenly we came here IA, IB. So that means after completion of this, what is IA, IB? Identity matrices. Identity matrix means here it is f circle G is mapped from A to A. I already discussed in the first topic, right? And here G circle F is mapping from B to B. That is the meaning. I will explain this also, no problem. Okay. First of all, think this is a mapping. A is the set or real numbers minus 3 by 5. Why minus 3 by 5? Anybody? Why? Because your f of x is this, right? F is a mapping from A to B. Where is A? Here only, na? This is A. G is a mapping from, you can write like this. I want to write in terms of A and B, not this much, okay? What is this? B, right? This is A and this is B. I want to take this. Right. This is A, this is B. So from F, it is B to A. Right. What about next? From G, it is A to B. Right. Are you understand this? Here this is a set A and here this is a set B. Okay. From here, F is mapping from 7 to 3, right? And B to A, right? Next, G is a mapping from A to B. Now, I want G circle F. What is the definition of compositive? Here, I consider first is F. Take F. F is B to A. After that, G, A to B. These two are cancelled. I will get B to B. So, see in your problem, G circle F given IB. Are you understand this one? Same I can explain for this also. See, what is F circle G? First you have to consider G. G is mapping from A to B, right? After we consider F, F is mapping from B to A. By transitive, what happened? A to A. So therefore, F is mapping from A to A. This is called identity function with respect to A. This is the given. They are. and I want to prove by using these definitions. Okay, now what is the meaning for this? R minus 3 by 5. Okay, why? Because it is minus 3 by 5. Here we substitute 3 by 5. What happened? 5 cancel. 3 minus 3 is 0. Right? Denominator term we get 0. That's why here they are subtract the 3 by 5. And also in same manner here 7 by 5. 5 cancel. 7 minus 7 0. For that reason here we subtract 7 by 5. Here we subtract 3 by 5. Are you understand? So this is a problem. Now I want to calculate G circle F is A and F circle G is B. Let us see. Now consider G circle F of X. That is nothing but G of F of X. Right? What is F of X? F of X is according to my definition this one, right? G of, write that one, 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. Now G of function is this one. Now, but in place of x, I want total this term. So you substitute this total entire thing in your x value. That means 7 into, right? 7 into 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7, because 7x here. In place of x I wrote this one. Plus 4 by 5 into, again 7x, sorry, this one is x, right? 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7 minus 7. Are you understand? Once again I repeat. Here the x value is 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. This x value, G of x is the definition. So entire this value is replaced by here and here in place of x. So I wrote like this. Now simplify, you get what you want. X only, because G circle F of x is equal to x, then only that is identity. Right? Okay. So take LCM. 5x minus 7. Here 7 into 3x plus 4 plus 4 into 5x minus 7. Right. In the same manner here, take LCM. 5x minus 7. So this is only simplification ma. 7 into 5x minus 1. I just take LCM, right? So this one cancel. Okay, this one cancel. Then we get from here 21x plus 28 plus 20x minus 28. This is the numerator term. Now the denominator term is 15x plus 20 minus, what is that one? 35x, right? Plus 49. I think some wrong is there. 7 into 3x minus 7. Okay. After that 28 cancel, we get 41x. In denominator 15x I want, right? So there is a mistake here. I think f of x is a mistake. Right. G of x, it is a minus 3. Right? It is a minus 3. G of x, it is a 5x minus 3. I wrote 7, right? Okay. So, yes, these two are cancelled. And 3 means it is 15x. Good. and plus 21. Okay. After that cancel this one and 20 plus 21 41 and replace, we get x. This is the problem. Right? So here we did mistake, here this 7 I wrote, but this is x, right? This can be replaced here, we write minus 3. Are you understand? We want to carry this one, minus 3. Then we simplify, we get 3 into 5x minus 7. We simplify this one, we get x cancel, 41x by 41 and 41 cancel, we get x. What happened here? I consider G circle f of x is nothing but x. And it is mapping from G, from f is a mapping from B to A, right? So it is nothing but IB. B to B. This is the one part of the problem. Now I again consider F circle G. Same thing I repeat once again. What is F circle G of x? So it is f of g of x. What is g of x? F of 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Right. Now, this is x now. I want to replace this one in this. Just reverse process, right? So, 3 into 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 plus 4 by 5 into 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3 minus, I wrote once again here 3, right? But here 7. The same mistake, right? So, we want to write that one. Okay, right. Next, take LCM. It is 5x minus 3 and numerator it is 3 into 7x plus 4 plus 4 into 5x minus 3. Right. In same manner here, 5 into 7x plus 4 minus 7 into 5x minus 3. 5x minus 3. So this one cancel. Finally we get 21x plus 12 plus 20x minus 12. So 12 na? Right answer, no problem, right? And similar way, 35x plus 20 minus 35x plus 21. So this is also cancelled, the right answer. So 41x by 41. And the same manner, F circle G of x is also x. And also this is from A. Because G is mapping from A to A and F is A to B, F is mapping from B to A, then F circle G is mapping from A to A. So this is they want to do, and also previously. So the problem is over. So F circle G of x is equal to f of x in IB and F circle G of x is equal to x in IA. That is the proof of the solution of the problem. Okay, next problem. I think a similar problem is there in your exercise. We want to do that one. Right. In exercise, there is a fourth problem. F of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Same pattern problems. 6x minus 4 and x not equal to 3. 2 by 3. Why 2 by 3? You can substitute in 2 by 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Right? Denominator cannot be 0. For that reason, x not equal to 2 by 3. And now, show that F circle F of x is equal to x. They want to show that one. Okay? Same problem, right? Similar problem. So, consider f circle f of x. So f of x, right? What is f of x? F of 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Up to now I expand the circle and I replace f of x. Now once again I have f of x. That means the total this one is x. Okay. I want to substitute total this one in places of x. So what we get? Here 4 into 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 plus 3 by, once again, 6 into, I want to replace x by this total term, 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Clear? So I want to simplify. Take LCM. The LCM is 6x minus 4. So we get 4 into 4x plus 3 plus 3 into 6x minus 4. In similar manner, I want to take LCM of 6x minus 4. Here 6 into 4x plus 3 minus 4 into 6x minus 4. So these two are cancelled. We get 16x plus 12 plus 18x minus 12. So total cancel. Is it right? Check it here. It is right or wrong, right? And 24x plus 18 minus 24x plus 16. Right? So 24x cancel. So therefore here 40. What is the simplification, ma? 34. 34x by 34. Cancel, we get x. So we proved here f circle f of x is equal to x. That is that they want. Now you understand the problems on composition, right? Okay. After that, there is a two theorems. I want to prove the theorems on compositive functions. First theorem: f is 1 1 and g is 1 1. G circle f is also 1 1. Example 18. F is mapping from A to B and G is mapping from B to G is mapping from B to C. G is mapping from okay, ma. These theorems we can discuss next video, right? So we have to continue with the next video.